Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot add cards. The region settings for this device cannot be used with Apple Pay. So guys, if you're trying to add your card to your Apple Pay but you're facing this problem and you are not able to add your cards, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you add your cards to your Apple Pay. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. All you have to do is that simply open settings on your device and then go to general and then scroll it below, and from here go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device, and if there is any connected VPN, simply disconnect it. And after this, go to language and region, and from here tap on region and select your country or region according to your bank or according to your card country. So guys, you can see this. If you want to add your country region according to your bank or your debit or credit card country, you have to simply select that country from here. So guys, select your country or region correctly from here according to your bank or your debit or credit card, and after this go back, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply go to Sport app, and from here you can get any kind of support regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.